Every home has a story. And every story deserves a roof built to protect it. From durable, beautifully installed shingles to precision-crafted siding that transforms curb-appeal to gutter systems that keep your home safe through every season, we build solutions that last. For homeowners who want strength and style, our standing seam metal roofs deliver decades of performance, engineered to withstand upstate New York's toughest weather. For those looking ahead, we bring energy to the roof itself. Expert solar panel installations designed to power your home with clean, reliable electricity for years to come. And now, innovation meets craftsmanship with the revolutionary Tesla solar roof, a roofing system that doesn't just protect your home, it powers it. Roofing Rochester NY is proud to be upstate New York's only licensed Tesla solar roof installer. Whatever your home needs, from traditional to cutting edge, our team has you covered.